So they're finally in. He just handed me the Pistons. Look at that. Holy crap, the Pistons are in. If you're new to the channel, I'm Matt, welcome back. Let's go ahead and take this engine off the stand. Oh man, it couldn't have come at a worse time as I'm moving all my stuff into the shop, tearing down some walls, but they're finally done. I'm anxious to get them, been waiting 9 months. We'll take the engine off the engine stand, load the engine up into the car so that way they can finish the machine work. Well, let's head over there and take a look at them, shall we? Let's do it. Hopefully I don't cross my damn leg. Alright, everything's loaded up. Let's take a little bit of a road trip. Engine's loaded up. I gotta make about probably a 45-minute drive to the other side of Houston and then all the way back. And it's raining outside, so I'm sure it's gonna delay it. But I'm glad they're finally in. Ugh, 9 months, can you believe that? Let's go over there, let's get this done. Focus, damn it, focus! There in the background's the beautiful Houston skyline. Yes, I need a new windshield wiper on this car. This is why it's probably not a good idea to have the exhaust coming out of the hood. Just look at that, look, you can't even see the skyline. Let's get some gas. Alright, here we are at Craig Cock Racing Head Services. Let's take a look at these Pistons and unload this damn motor. And it's so muggy out right now. The shop doors are open. I'm gonna get some video of these Pistons, but I'm gonna load this engine and let's get this finished. Let's get it back in. Let's get it running. Alright, so Craig, I don't want to be, there's Craig over there. It's the man, Craig Cock Racing himself. Check him out. So he just handed me the Pistons and I've taken a look at them. I think they're pretty awesome. I wasn't expecting the coating to be on top, but so here's one of the Pistons. And let me see if I can flip this thing over one-handed. Look at that. Dude, it's got the, what is that coating called, Craig?
Some sort of a ceramic coating.
Yeah, it's a ceramic coating, and it helps with. It helps with the heat. Keep the heat inside the piston.
Inside the chamber, not letting it
to
transfer the piston for turbo application.
Right, and they pretty much made a exact duplicate of it. I mean, if I can get this down. But yeah, that's a carbon copy there, and then piston rings and all that stuff were for boost. So dude, I'm super excited to get this going. Huge shout out to Craig over there because we've been dealing with JE for a little bit, and I get that they have issues or the whole pandemic kind of thing, but man, dude, they're here now. We can get shit going. That's all I care about. So they're finally in. I'm gonna get the heck out of here and get to the other side of town, but before I do that, let's just walk through the shop real quick. Pretty cool place. They do they do all kinds of stuff, and top fuel. Ooh, man, it's muggy out here. But the guys are getting after it. Engine's in good hands. They're gonna finish up the machine work. They got a lot going on, just like we do, so I'm gonna get out of here. Doing some valve work in this room. Man, it's just muggy today, so I doubt any of this video, aside from inside the office, is gonna be any good. But we got things going, and the guys are out there porting some heads. The engine block is sitting over there with the flywheel. Man, it's just humid out, and the camera's been in AC, but they're going to balance the rotating assembly. They're going to balance the rotating assembly, which includes the flywheel, the bottom end, the rods, the pistons. They're going to hone it to size. They're going to deck the block, machine the block for the larger ARP head studs, and just hot tank the thing, and we should be ready to put everything back together. I am super excited, and I'm super appreciative to Craig. They're gonna have things ready by early next week, although I got a lot of stuff to do. Oh shit, when I get something to eat. But they're going to balance the bottom end, and I said, hey, just polish the crankshaft if it needs to be polished. He said that's part of the deal, so that's good, and they're gonna hot tank the engine and all that. So hopefully by next week we should be able to start putting this thing together, and I'll kind of walk you guys through at least how I go about putting engines together, and it'll be fun. We'll get things back together, and it'll also give me some time to start working on installing the LSD, the limited slip differential, and we'll put some new seals in it. Thought about just rebuilding it and putting new bearings in it, but as my father said, don't fix it if it ain't broke. Thanks for tuning in. If you're new to the channel, I'm Matt. Be sure to subscribe. Give this video a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down in the comments. I know it's been a long time, but man, I think it's been well worth it. I know Corona's kind of messed things up, but you know how that goes. Until next time, peace out. It's hard to do it in the car. You peace out. Did you subscribe? Red button down at the bottom right there. Hit that bell. It's gonna be on like Donkey Kong. Don't make me wreck while eating French fries.